So first off, you gotta tie your hair up because you don't want makeup everywhere. So for the foundation today, I am going to use the L'Oreal Pro Glow foundation, and I have already prepped my face with moisturizer and primer. And to blend my foundation out, I am going to use the Glam Aroma Beauty Sponge. This is a very good beauty sponge. It blends everything seamlessly, plus it's affordable. I have a discount code available. If you want to buy this, you can save the money by using my discount code. For the concealer today, I am going to use the Makeup Revolution concealer, and I'm going to apply it under my eyes and also over my blemishes, and I'm going to blend this out using the same beauty sponge. So now to highlight my face, I am going to use the NYX HD concealer. I'm going to apply it under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, and also on my forehead. I also used it on my cupid bow and also a little bit on my chin so that my face looks a little more highlighted. I did film my eyebrows off camera, so here I'm just using my LA Girl concealer and just carving my brows so that they look clean and precise. And using the Essence brow gel, I'm going to set my brows in place. So today I decided to bake, and I am going to use this Rimmel powder. Everything will be listed down below with the links. So I'm just going to bake under my eyes and also on the bridge of my nose. So for the eyeshadow today, I'm going to use the Jaclynhillxmorphe palette, and taking the shade Pukey on a big fluffy brush, I'm going to apply it above my crease. And now taking this deeper brown shade, I'm going to apply it on my crease just to deepen it up so that my eyes have a little bit of dimension. And next, taking a much more deeper brown shade, you can use any whatever you want, and just deepening up the crease again. So using the Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow in the shade Smoky Storm, I believe, I'm going to apply it all over my eyelids, and I'm just going to blend out the edges so that they are seamless and there's no harsh line. So I used the same dark brown shades that I used before to deepen up the outer edge of the eye. This eyeshadow has a little bit of fallout, so I'm just dusting it off. So next, taking a black matte eyeshadow from the same palette, I am going to use this as an eyeliner. So I'm just going to apply this very close to my lash line. Next, I went on and curled my lashes and used my favorite mascara, which is the Maybelline Lash Sensational, on my upper lashes. And I also went on and applied some falsies, which are the Winsome Story Lashes. It will be listed down below. Next up, I used the Rimmel Kohl Kajal on my lower lash line, and also I smudged it with some brown eyeshadow. I also like using my fingers to smudge it. Taking this beautiful highlighter shade from the Tartelette in Bloom palette, I'm going to apply it on my brow bone and also on the inner corner of my eyes. Using my favorite highlighter, which is the Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate, I'm going to apply it on my cheekbone, a little bit above my brows, on the bridge of my nose, on the cupid's bow, and also a little bit on my chin. Using the Benefit Hoola bronzer, I'm going to contour my face, under my cheekbones, on my jawline, a little bit on my forehead, and also around my nose. And for bronzer, I'm going to use the balm Bahama to bronze up. So to just melt everything into my skin, I'm going to use my beauty blender and I'm just going to push everything in. For the setting spray, I'm going to use this Lay All Day Setting Mist by Gerard Cosmetics in the fragrance Rose, and I'm going to spread it all over my face. Using the same mascara on my lower lashes. For the blush, I'm going to use the Glam Aroma blush, which will be listed in the description box below. For the lip color today, I'm going to use the Makeuporino liquid lipstick in the number 17. And that's it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. Happy New Year in advance and Merry Christmas to everybody. I love you all so much. See you in my next video. Bye.